how to set groups notifications on Facebook. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, okay, go to Facebook application. Here in Facebook homepage, go to menu on the lower right side on your screen. Okay, tap menu. Here in menu, okay, you can see here the gear icon on the upper right side on your screen. Okay, tap the gear icon or settings. Here in settings and privacy and preference section, you can see here the notifications. Okay, you can tap this. And now here in notification, in what notification you receive, okay, you can see here the groups. Okay, you can set this by tap the group. And now you can see here the where you receive group notification. So okay, you can turn on or off the email and the SMS. So for my example, I turn on the email. Okay, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side. And I turn off the SMS. Okay, you can turn off the switch button on the right side. And below, you can see the list of your groups. Okay, and that's it. Okay, we have successfully set groups notification on Facebook. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.